Hey everybody, welcome back to the Aquatree channel. I'm Alex and I want to thank you for joining us today. Do I need to clean my pump? Yes, and we're going to walk you through it. But first, if this is your first time with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our awesome community. And if you don't find what you're looking for in this video, we welcome you to explore our other amazing videos. We have tons of valuable content to help you master your Aquatree game, from expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members. So you know how to clean your Aquatree. Throw it in the dishwasher and done. But what about the pump? Well, today we're going to talk you through disassembling and cleaning your pump. First, you're going to want to remove the cover. This can be placed in the dishwasher with your other non-electric parts if you're already running a cleaning cycle. Otherwise, take warm soapy water and wipe down the cover and pump until you're clean. When you're finished, snap the cover back on and you're done. Before reinstalling it on your Aquatree, make sure you turn the filter counterclockwise all the way to ensure it's open. If you just want to do a quick disinfection, a simple way to do this is to fill your tank with a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water, turn the system on, and let it run for about an hour. Do not use this method while any crops or seeds are in your system, and make sure to rinse all the parts and components before beginning your next crop cycle. To keep your Aquatree in tip-top shape for the long haul, we recommend you clean your pump once a month after a harvest of crops that need a longer growth cycle, such as lettuce. With the proper care and attention, you'll be able to grow free with the Aquatree for years to come. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the